been a long time, but we're here to try out Sonny Bill's tacos. So come on, guys. Kakuwo. So there's them just there, guys. Just there. We're gonna go and have some tacos. Anyway, guys, look, the menu. Check it out, check it out. We got the frozen margaritas. No alcohol, guys. Cheers. Nice. I needed a bit of vodka in this. Hey. It's nice, guys. You know what, guys? I was hoping to see Sonny Bill, but he's not even in.
Good, because then we can take it home. Wait, I'm gonna get it all out. Don't record this part. Wait, part. There's actually so much stuff. Quite a lot.
Oh yeah, which one is this one? Oh yeah, corn. Oh, that's the corn chips. Yeah, nice. And the chips, the sauce. Yeah, look at the sauce, guys. And these little things here, whatever they are. What's that? Little green sauces. Anyway, time to do my prayer and then I'm gonna eat. Okay, guys. So we're gonna give this a go. And the one that was after was the beef. Okay. So that's the fish. That's the chicken and that's the beef. This is the one I'm gonna go for. Look how
Yeah, why are you cutting it? You can just eat it.
Okay. Okie dokie, here goes. Hi guys. Yeah. The cheese around it is really nice. And the inside is really good. But man, yeah, man. Yum. Look at it. Look at it. Don't have it too close up to me, Master. I don't like it. Don't have it too close up to me. I don't like it.
I'm showing the taco.
So good. So good. I'm going to eat some to see. I just think it sounds nice. Is this the chicken one? Oh, that is so yummy. Olive fry. The sauce is really good. I'm trying to rush that so I can get to the fish. Come on now. The fish one. Come on, Fly. Okay. My favorite is beef. That's good too. That's very nice. They're all very nice. But this is mine. This is so good, man. You gotta do that. I'm starving. You can end it. In the form. cheese is nice. Mm.
They can do menu.
Okay.
These are.
Mm.
You dirtied it.
I dirty everything.
Oh, this is the fish taco.
Mm.
Oh, so the beef's meant to go with this, the chicken's meant to go with this, and then the fish meant to go with this.
Well, we didn't know.
So this is hot honey sauce apparently, and then this is jalapeno green sauce, and then this is the normal.
So
They have
good.
churros, Mom. You didn't get churros?
I just saw that. Mm.
Okay, can I try a different flavor?
What is that?
This chicken one's actually, I actually want all this, but I want to try those.
Yes. Come and get some. Here, Eastern Creek. The prawns are my favorite. You know, like anywhere they sell this, I always love it. You like the beef one?
I haven't tried it.
Oh. Sonny Bill's wife likes the fish one. I love the cheese around it.
Oh, I do like it. Tastes good, but I like the chicken more than that.
Like, I reckon if it doesn't have the coleslaw around the fish,
It needs something in there, but I don't know what's missing.
sweet chili sauce.
It's like so rich. I'm gonna try it.
No, it's, you know the coleslaw? If that was me, if I ordered it myself, I'll ask for no coleslaw around it.
Alright, I think it's nice to have it in there.
Yeah. Well,
It reminds
that's
me
for you.
It reminds me of like Vids.
I would rather have
Now
no.
there's two flies. We're gonna hurry up and leave.
But this cheese, the melted cheese, on my hair looks like the melted cheese. Excuse me, gonna copyright my video. The corn, must I have the corn? So lovely.
Okay. Chicken all day.
Hmm?
Chicken all day.
Chicken. Nice beef.
Yeah, I like chicken. Bro, I've always been a chicken person. I think there's chicken, chicken,
It's
fish,
got this green thing around it. Chicken, beef, and beef.
like chicken first, then fish, and then the beef.
Oh,
Chicken beef.
beef, chicken, fish wrap. We got different taste buds.
Yeah, chicken, hot out. Everything is hot and saucy.
Because it's the coleslaw that's extra for me for the fish. But a lot of people will love it,
Yeah.
you know. It's so delicious.
No one does my
Have a
chicken.
corn.
Yeah, no one does my chicken. That's the one I get mine.
Oh, I love the melted cheese. You should make this at home.
We don't know their recipe.
Oh, melted cheese.
People make the cheese as the wrap, like they put it on the frying pan and then put everything inside and hold it. No, it's actually good.
It's really good.
I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
So
And I'll
good.
come back.
Yeah. So will I.
But I know for next time, just order chicken, the chips. I don't try to cook it.
Try the corn, man. So good.
That's it. I should have a tripod.
The beef is so good. The beef is so good, guys. even have the
It's just like chips and
chips and what? Chips and nothing to eat in it.
the.
Guacamole? Oh, it's guacamole.
Oh, is it? I thought it was tomato.
Guacamole. Okay. No, I don't.
No, I'm scared. This is mine.
The straw's gone soft. So if you don't drink your drink far, the straw will soften and maybe it is.
What's this? Oh, a paper towel. Oh, that's so nice.
Oh. Well,
21.
it's two. Three actually.
But it's so thick. It's one of those big ones.
And up that last one, put in my bag.
Yeah. I mean, no, I can eat so much.
The drink is so good. Senorita, yum yum. I would have given it a 9, but I didn't get to see Sonny.
We would have gave it a 10 if we saw her. What do you think?
I might have. Given it a 15. Well, no, I was thinking that.
Yeah, but it's all red on your mouth when you were saying all that.
These corns are lovely, guys. Don't forget, if you come here, try the corn out. Really nice. Should I pour this over? No, just over for my corn.
Oh, save the sauce, put it in the...
Oh, I'll take these
Yeah, the
sauces.
lid's here.
Oh, I didn't see it.
I looked at this the lid for your thing.
Oh,
So
oh, can you close it? Yeah.
your mess.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? I don't want to film with this headache here. Anyway, like I was saying, I would have given it a 9, right? If I had seen Sonny Bill, but he wasn't here, so 8.9. Up to 8.9. Anyway, we're home now, guys. The food was still good, okay? Don't think it wasn't. We didn't film heaps. We didn't film all the food. They don't have a lot of varieties of food there, but it was delicious. So the video is short and sweet, but, you know, thanks for hanging out anyway, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Sorry I've been MIA, but it's just that I've been slacking. Okay, 4. Take care and God bless.